is she? Who is she? Like, on a Thursday in the middle of the week? Okay, I ain't gonna pat myself on the back too much. I just got this new bag and I'm very curious to open it. And it came in last night and I can't wait till the weekend. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. It's free. Stop. It's free. I mean, I understand why y'all want me to beg. I understand why I gotta beg. It's free. Go ahead and hit the Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I probably just scared you off, but just go ahead and hit it anyway. It's free. Okay. But for real, I could not wait until this weekend. So your girl had to come through in the middle of the week. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to get in this bag. And I'm waiting to open it on camera for two reasons. Okay. One is because, of course, I need to share with my friends. And second, I got this bag cheap. Cheap as hell. And just in case something fugazi, just in case I'm getting bamboozled, I need this to be on film. I ain't playing with you, Miss Teresa. Okay? We gonna see if you really my Teresa when I'm gonna get cussed out. That's what I'm feeling any day now. So but before I do that, what I got? Oh, I want to show y'all some stuff. Now listen, cause I know I'm gonna get girl you extra as hell. And am. But come on. But for why? Cause she cute. Okay, listen. I had did a little short, right? But I ain't get to model it. Listen, you like, girl, it's a water bottle. You don't need to. Hold on now. Let me have my moment. Snap, can you see that? She cute. When I get a little thirsty, I be like, okay. Listen, somebody come close down my Amazon account. It's getting too much. Alright. I found this on Amazon. And I swear to God. Okay, I was minding my business and Amazon, why my pants keep falling out? Well, Amazon recommended this to me. Now listen, I'm gonna do real quick. Okay, it's a Stanley cup, little Velcro in here. Now this is the 40 ounce. I also got one for my 30 too. She got to coordinate in the gym. She got to coordinate. You really don't. You don't. You really don't, but you know, whatever. Okay, and then I got a top. Now this is, listen, this is a must, especially when you're bringing your cup outside the house. I don't need people breathing and talking over my straw. Okay, so listen, look, and they got a little pouch here. Now when I go to the gym, what I'll do is, if I don't feel like, because a lot of times I don't feel like it, like, girl, I want to be in and out. Half the time I don't even want to be there. Okay, so I'll leave my bag in the car, hidden of course, and then I'll put my phone in the big case, and then I'll leave my cards. I put my phone, and then I put my my pass in here, and then I hit my headphones connected up in here. That's all I'm doing, okay? And then just in case somebody try to take my cup, you know what I'm saying? This is my cup. You don't see that R right there? Stop playing with me. You like, girl, it's a cup. Okay, and then I want to show y'all this. It's not Hermes. I know it look like it. It's not. Again, I was minding my business. Okay, and listen, it's a makeup bag. It's an Hermes dupe. The H on the front is different than the, you like, girl, for $19.99. It is. It is. But it's a good dude. Look at that. And then you open it like this. And then, that's cute. So I don't know how much fit inside because it just came yesterday with the cup holders. I mean the cup carriers. But I'm gonna do a what fits in it. I mean it's $19.99 off of Amazon. It's a dupe. But I'm gonna do a what fits because what I'm doing. Oh, I'm gonna do a pack with me because your girl going on a trip. And this time not in the RV. I'm going home. Why I'm trying to act like I'm going somewhere tropical or luxurious? Child, maybe because alright. Girl, going home. I'm from New Jersey and I'm going home. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go see my relatives, my bloodline and stuff. You know what I'm saying? And then we don't feel like driving. Well, oh, wait, my husband ain't going with me. Oh, sucker ass. So I'm going by myself. I just realized. I don't like going to just by myself. That's because I gotta do all the work. I ain't got nobody to cater to me when I'm by myself. I know, I'm trifling as hell. So I am going home for a couple of days, and y'all know what I don't like bringing by expensive stuff, especially when I'm by myself on Delta. I don't like it. So I thought that would be a cute thing. Okay, so stay tuned for that. You like, girl, if you don't open what I'm here for, I'm about to do it right now. Now, I don't think I've ordered from MyTereasa before. I don't think so. Okay, so it comes, obviously it comes in a cardboard box. She ain't looking at up the stairs. I know it. Okay, so this was in the box. And it says, you can never be overdressed or overeducated. I know that's right. I know that's right, Oscar Wilde. It says, you can never be overdressed or overeducated. Okay. It is a quote from Oscar Wilde. And then this is my receipt. Come on, savings. Come on, savings. Now, y'all might remember this purchase because... Don't call me out my name. Listen. See, what had happened? What had happened was I saw it on sale, right? And I wanted another canvas one. And I told y'all, but I had to get mine first. I know. I'm sorry. I had to order mine first. And then when I got my confirmation, I shared it. Now listen, half of it's your fault. Because if you was in my Facebook group, you would have got it quick. You would have got it sooner. Okay? So half of it's my fault, half of it's your fault. But I got this for $164 if you want to include tax. Somebody calling me, Joe? Total came to $164 with tax. Without tax, I'm in North Carolina. Without tax, I got it for $154. Alright. Boom. What she got. Now, because, you know, I don't unbox everything. Especially like smaller purchases. You know what I'm saying? Like, for what? Usually I just share that I got it. If I found a discount coupon code, I share it with y'all. Especially in my Facebook.
Shut up! No! Oh shit! Say it again. Say something else.
I ain't gonna say nothing. I ain't gonna say it again, but okay. But for the price that I paid, I didn't know it was gonna come this wrapped up. So I was like, something might be really good or really, really bad. Okay, let me go ahead and share this. Make sure. Okay. Again, this was $164. Oh, they wrapped that nice. That's not because if I was MyTereasa and then I used that big old coupon code, I was like, listen, y'all, she gonna get this in a plastic bag. Okay, she got a discount. She ain't, okay. I see you, MyTereasa. They not that really nice. Let me show you. Okay. Alright. Sitting on a bed of tissues. I'm gonna say that tissue. Somebody getting that tissue for Christmas and they present. I don't care. I'm not paying full price for no wrapping paper. Okay. So here it is. Does it look new? Yeah, the tag's still on it. Okay. So this is, okay, so they got this little nice little MyTereasa ribbon. Alright. Somebody might get that for Christmas too. You never know. Cause look, I can't be the only one that be getting mad. I can't be. Hold on. Just side note real quick. Okay? You don't get mad when you walk in Target and you gotta pay $17 for some wrapping paper you know everybody gonna rip up and throw away. Or you gotta pay $6.99 for a yard of ribbon when you know people just gonna throw it away. I can't be the only one with a whole attitude when I gotta swipe my card for some ribbon, tissue paper, and wrapping paper. That is the most annoying thing. Why is, okay, let me, okay, I'm done. I'm done. Okay, stop cussing. I'm done. Okay, now, it says, please note returns will only be accepted. Okay, people always do that. Alright, what size is this? Is this the large? Okay, it's not stuffed inside. Here is the tag. What? Now, why the tag? Why the tag wrapped up? I guess they want to say, bitch, because people like you, we want you to know what's new. Because you'll send it back. Swear somebody touched this bag. Okay. So, this is the soft gray. Why don't I say the size? Or is this a size in French tally? I don't know. I think it's large. Listen, I'll put it on the screen. I think it's large. But here's the strap. Okay. So now, let me tell you why I'm just like, okay. I thought this gray was going to be a little darker. I did. This is like a turtle dove gray. Now don't you think I'm not returning it? Because who gonna get that deal again? This was like 50% off. No, I deal with this gray, okay? But I did think the gray was gonna be a little darker. Now let me compare it to, hold on, it's right here. So this is, I have two leathers, a woven tote, raffia, whatever you want to call it, woven raffia, whatever suits your boat. That's not how you say that. Whatever floats your boat, okay? And then I have one canvas, okay? So this is the small, and I think this is the large. I'm about 99% sure this is the large. So let's do a size comparison, okay? Significantly bigger. Okay, now this one also come with a black strap. So I got two black straps. Girl, do I need two black? I mean, what am I gonna do about it? I ain't gonna do nothing about it, but I got two black straps now. Okay, and it got silver hardware. Who gonna clean this up? You like, ma'am, you made the mess, you cleaned it up. Oh wait, I can't. Hold on.
One eternity later.
All my life I had to fight. Why was that so hard? Hey girl, cause you ain't taking all the wrapping off. Alright. Oh! Now if I would have hit myself in the face, I would have been mad. Mad at who? I don't know. The devil, child. Would have been mad at the devil. Okay, here we go. Alright. Now, so you can see it on me. Let me adjust it. But I already know these straps are, ooh, tight as hell. Hold on. Okay, wait a minute. Child, my muscles are sore. I can't. It does loosen up over time. Because I have the canvas, I just showed you the denim canvas one. I darn near use that every day. Like, out of a 7-day week, if I'm doing regular stuff, running errands, blah, 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 I probably use that 5 if not 6 days out the week. Now why this gonna make me look like I'm slow as hell? Because it's not adjusting. Okay. Now this is not even the longest setting. What I say? Child, this is not even the longest setting. Now I got leggings on. Why I keep falling down? Okay. This is not even the longest setting. I am 5'8". Okay. And it's not even the longest setting. But these straps, I know I just look like I was on a struggle bus with the strap. But like I said, I have the denim one. And I've had this for a long time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years, okay? And the strap loosened up over time. And I had to get another one because I think she about tired of me. I think she about tired of me. But see, I say that, but I don't even see any wear or loose threads or anything on it. I think I just know I had it a long time and just think I need to probably give it a break. But look. And see, and I know some people gonna be like, girl, get your life together. But when it comes to like everyday running errands, in and out the gym, in and out the grocery store, in and out Tory, oh, you know what I'm saying? You get it. I don't like, for everyday hustle, carrying my leather bags or carrying my canvas bags, because if they get ripped, tear, snagged, some juice spill on them, I'll be mad, okay? I'll be mad. And when I'm really out just, you know, doing everyday things, I don't like looking after bags. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is $150. Well, $64 with tax. You know what I'm saying? So I might cry a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna be an emotional wreck if something happened to it. And also, if something spill on it, I'ma just get a little shout, wipe it off, and keep using. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not the end of the world. You know what I'm saying? Something happened to one of my canvas or my leather bags, even my Marc Jacob leather bags, because they're like, what, $600? Okay. I'ma be mad. So, for real life, every day, this is good. And her little sister have done me justice, okay? Okay, good people, that is it. That is my unboxing of my new Marc Jacobs large canvas tote. And my Amazon finds. Somebody, like, I might shut down my Amazon. No, I'm not, child. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my life. Oh, I was saying about y'all got stuff to do. Okay. So, of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.